Welcome to our guide on starting a running routine for beginners. If you've ever thought about running but didn't know where to begin, you're in the right place. Running is a fantastic way to improve your fitness and health, both physically and mentally. It can boost your sense of accomplishment and clarity. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds, increase your stamina, or simply find a new way to de-stress, running can be your perfect partner. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to make your running journey successful and enjoyable. From setting realistic goals and choosing the right gear to understanding proper form and staying motivated, we've got you covered. Lace up your shoes and let's get started on this exciting journey together. As we proceed, you'll see how incorporating running into your life can reap significant rewards. Welcome to the first step of your running journey. You've chosen to start running, and that's a fantastic decision. Running isn't just about getting in shape, it's about transforming your overall health. As you lace up those running shoes and hit the pavement, you'll notice physical benefits almost immediately: stronger muscles, a healthier heart, and increased stamina. But it doesn't stop there. Running is like a tonic for your mind as well. The rhythmic movement, fresh air, and endorphin rush can significantly boost your mental well-being, reducing stress and anxiety. Let's not forget the social perks. Joining a running group or participating in local races connects you with a vibrant community. You'll meet new friends and create lasting bonds. Running isn't just a workout, it's a way to enhance your life in multiple dimensions. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into setting goals and getting started on the right foot. Ready to discover more? Let's go. Setting realistic goals is crucial for staying motivated on your running journey. Start by identifying small, achievable targets that keep you inspired and make progress tangible. For example, aim to run for 10 minutes without stopping or complete a short distance run by the end of your first month. These goals should be reasonable and tailored to your current fitness level. Tracking your progress is equally important. Use a journal, an app, or any method that works for you to record your achievements. Seeing how far you've come can provide a significant boost to your motivation and help you stay committed to your running routine. As we move forward, you'll discover more tips and techniques to enhance your running experience. Now that you've decided to start running, let's talk about gear. The right gear can make a huge difference in your running experience. First, invest in a good pair of running shoes that provide adequate support and fit well to avoid injuries. Next, choose comfortable clothing made of moisture-wicking fabrics to keep you dry and prevent chafing. Remember to consider the weather. Layer up in colder climates or wear breathable materials in warm conditions. The right gear isn't about looking good, but about feeling good and staying safe. As we move forward, you'll see how these choices impact your running journey. Take the time to select the right gear and get ready to hit the pavement. Warming up is essential to prevent injuries and ensure a successful run. By starting your running routine with proper warm-up exercises, you prepare your body and mind for the journey ahead. Begin with some light jogging or brisk walking to get your blood flowing and gradually increase your heart rate. Incorporate dynamic stretches, such as leg swings and arm circles, to improve your flexibility and range of motion, mimicking the actions of running. Lastly, joint mobility exercises like ankle circles and hip rotations help loosen up your joints, reducing the risk of strains and sprains. Warming up before each run enhances your performance and significantly lowers the chances of injury. Next, we'll explore starting with walk-run intervals, a beginner-friendly approach to building endurance and enjoying your runs. Starting with walk-run intervals is a great way to build your endurance and ease into running. This method is beginner-friendly because it helps prevent burnout and injury, making your transition smoother. Begin with short running intervals, about 30 seconds to a minute, followed by walking for 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat this cycle for about 20 to 30 minutes. As your fitness improves, gradually increase the running intervals and reduce the walking breaks. The goal is to progressively build up your stamina and endurance without overexerting yourself. Consistency is key, so try to stick to a regular schedule, fitting in at least 3 to 4 sessions per week. Remember, Every runner starts somewhere, and it's okay to start slow and build up over time. With patience and persistence, you'll see steady progress. Next, we'll explore the importance of maintaining proper running form to maximize your efficiency and prevent injuries. When it comes to running, maintaining proper form is essential. Not only does it help you run more efficiently, but it also significantly reduces the risk of injuries. Good running form starts with your posture. Keep your back straight and your core engaged for a more streamlined stride. Your arms should be relaxed, bent at about 90 degrees, swinging comfortably by your sides to help maintain balance and rhythm. Aim for short, quick steps to minimize impact on your joints and maximize energy efficiency. Your feet should land beneath your hips, not too far in front, to avoid unnecessary stress on your legs. Avoid overstriding, which can cause heel striking and lead to injuries. Keep your head up to maintain a straight posture, and keep your shoulders relaxed. Getting these basics right can make a world of difference in your running journey. Next, we'll see how small adjustments and persistent practice can elevate your performance and enjoyment of running. Breathing is an underrated yet essential part of your running routine. Without proper breathing, your runs may feel more strenuous than they need to be. For beginners, mastering breathing techniques can make a significant difference. Start by inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. This helps oxygenate your muscles more efficiently, allowing you to run longer and more comfortably. As you get more comfortable, try finding a rhythm that works for you. A simple technique is to match your breathing to your steps, such as breathing in for 3 steps and out for the next 3. This rhythmic breathing can help you maintain a comfortable pace and reduce fatigue. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all. It's about finding a pattern that feels natural and sustainable for you. Proper breathing not only makes your runs more enjoyable, but also enhances your overall performance. Next, we'll share more tips that will make your running experience even better. Staying motivated can be one of the most challenging aspects of starting a running routine. To keep your enthusiasm high, set small, achievable rewards for yourself along the way. These can be anything from a favorite snack to a new running accessory. Joining a running group or community provides support and encouragement. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your goals makes the journey much more enjoyable and less daunting. By integrating these simple strategies, you'll find it easier to stay committed and driven. Next, you'll see practical ways to handle the inevitable challenges that beginners often face. Every beginner faces challenges along the way. You might deal with muscle soreness or struggle to carve out time in your busy schedule to run. It's completely normal to encounter these obstacles, but addressing them is essential. For soreness, consider incorporating rest days and gentle stretching into your routine to aid recovery. If finding time to run is a hurdle, try scheduling your runs like any other appointment. Break them into smaller, manageable sessions if needed. Remember, staying positive is key. Each challenge you face is an opportunity to grow stronger, both mentally and physically. Keep pushing forward, celebrate your progress, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Every step, no matter how small, is progress towards your goals. Next, we'll explore how cooling down and stretching can play an essential role in preventing injuries and aiding in recovery. Cooling down and stretching after your run is crucial for your body's recovery. Not only does it help your muscles relax, but it also reduces the risk of injuries. Begin with a slow jog or brisk walk for a few minutes, allowing your heart rate to gradually decrease. Next, incorporate stretching exercises targeting key muscle groups used during your run. Stretch your calves, hamstrings, quads, and hip flexors by holding each stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds. Breathe deeply and avoid bouncing. The right kind of stretching alleviates tightness and promotes flexibility. Finish with gentle stretches for your lower back and shoulders. By prioritizing this cool-down phase, you're aiding muscle recovery and preparing your body for your next run. Next, you'll see how tracking your progress can further enhance your running experience and keep you motivated. Tracking your progress can be a powerful motivator on your running journey. It's essential to see how far you've come and where you're headed. Using tools and apps, you can easily monitor your runs, set goals, and analyze your performance. These digital aids provide insights into your pace, distance, and routes, helping you make informed adjustments. Don't forget to celebrate your milestones. Whether it's completing your first mile without walking or participating in your first race, acknowledging these achievements fuels your motivation and reinforces your commitment. Tracking isn't just about the numbers, it's about recognizing your growth and staying inspired. Next, discover how the right nutrition can enhance your running experience. Proper nutrition and hydration play a pivotal role in your running journey. To fuel your body effectively, ensure your meals are balanced, embracing a variety of nutrients. Before a run, eat something light yet nutritious, such as a banana or a slice of whole grain toast. Post-run, focus on replenishing energy with a combination of proteins and carbs, like a smoothie or a healthy wrap. Don't forget the importance of hydration. Drinking water before, during, and after your runs can prevent dehydration and aid recovery. Aim to drink small sips regularly rather than large amounts at once. Consider incorporating electrolyte-rich drinks if you're running longer distances. Maintaining a nutritious diet and proper hydration habits consistently will improve your performance and overall well-being. Next, you'll see how integrating rest and recovery into your routine is equally important. Let's dive into the next essential step. Let's take a moment to discuss a crucial aspect often overlooked by beginners: rest and recovery. As you embark on your running journey, it's essential to understand that rest days are just as important as your runs. Your body needs time to repair and strengthen itself after training. Ignoring this can lead to fatigue, injury, and burnout. Start by listening to your body. Pay attention to any signs of pain or fatigue and take them seriously. Incorporate activities like gentle stretching, foam rolling, or light yoga on your rest days to facilitate recovery. Stay hydrated and nourish your body with balanced meals to fuel muscle repair. Your overall progress relies not only on pushing your limits, but also on giving yourself time to recuperate and come back stronger. Moving forward, you'll see how rest contributes to a sustainable and enjoyable running routine. Your journey to becoming a better runner includes not just the miles you log, but the rest you allow yourself. Embrace the balance for remarkable improvements in stamina and performance. You've now got all the tools you need to embark on your running journey. We've covered everything from setting realistic goals and choosing the right gear to mastering form, breathing techniques, and staying motivated. Remember, every step you take is progress. Challenges will come, but each step forward gets you closer to becoming a stronger, more confident runner. Trust the process, listen to your body, and celebrate your milestones along the way. Running isn't just about fitness, it's about pushing your limits and discovering what you're capable of. Lace up those running shoes, take a deep breath, and get out there. Your journey starts now. Join a community, track your progress, and embrace the changes you'll see and feel. Let's make this a transforming experience. We encourage you to share your story with us and inspire others to take their first step towards a healthier, more active life. Get out there and start running. Your potential is unlimited.